Good evening, friends. So I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the gaming company. The company name is Delta Corp Ltd. Is only the company engaged in the casino, live electronic online and gaming industry in India. Along with the subsidiaries, currently operate casino in India and state Goa and Sikkim, offering approximately 1800 gaming positions. Okay, and the company is also dealing in the hospitality to enhance the value for all stakeholder, to enhance the sustainability and profitability growth. Okay, and to become the basically responsible global corporate citizen. So you can see what are the different platform particular companies having, like ODA 52, ADA 50, Delta or Delta Group. Okay, and you can see more information on the site like gaming. Okay, just click on the gaming, you will see Delta Corp operate casino in India, state Goa and Sikkim, offering up to 1800 gaming position. Okay, and different gaming platform the company is having. Okay, so let's see more fundamental about the company's financials. Okay, let's see here. So this is the 5-year chart of the company, and you can see the company's price right now is trading at 222. And this is the 1 day company, just the particular share move just in recently time higher. Okay, so you can see here about the company's delivery. Company is having 1821 delivery, 18%. This is a monthly scenario update. You can see here Delta rightly doing a net loss in the currently as against the 28 crore last year. This is the recent announcement. Company is paying dividend consistent. Check this some more technical. You can see in right now indicator showing overbought, but check with your advisor before buying stock. Miscellaneous gaming company, you can see the price 222, market cap 5953. EPS, you can see company's EPS right now in negative. P is not mentioned. Industry P 101 and book value per share 70. Price to book value 3.17, dividend 0.45. When you go into the standalone, you will see company's EPS 1.2, P 179.64, industry P 101, book value per share 73.7, and price to book value 3.03 and dividend 0.45. When you go into the result here, going to check in the standalone result. Right now, companies basically the standalone result is falling in particular. It is showing annual. Let's see quarterly here. Yeah, so quarterly result, you will see the company's sales is basically falling down. It's not a good sign for the company's sales is falling down because might be because of lockdown, but before lockdown was basically showing the very good sales here, 125 crore, 125 crore, and Russell in the March 2021 is showing 133 crore. Very good sign. The company is having very good sales projections when the lockdown will open. Okay, expenditure also, company having big maximum expenditure, and companies also basically working right now negative margin, sometime doing positive margin, sometime doing negative margin. Okay, so fluctuation in the margin. Other income is also basically increasing by the company. Right now it is going 13 crore, 11 crore, 6 crore, 5 crore. Okay, and interest is very low. This is one of the positive sign with the company reducing their interest debt. Very good sign here. Profit before tax, you can say negative right now in the June, but if you see when the lockdown will open, this particular company will perform well. Tax is also basically you can say companies proving the tax, but tax is also negative because of negative loss. PAT is also basically flat since 5 year, and also negative in comparison with the quarter positions. EPS is also basically showing negative right now because the June quarter was not good. Okay, let's see the annual result for the standalone side. You can see net sales was basically growing perfectly in 15, 16, 17, 18, but after 2020 and 2021, as the lockdown basically allowed in all countries, then the particular sales of the company downfall, and EBITDA is also falling down, margin also falling down, everything basically falling down. Just one positive sign for the company is that company reduces their particular debt and other things. One of the positive sign for the company. Now also tax, basically company's profit before tax is also basically improving. and you can say right now the profit of the company is showing 86 crore, and also EPS is 3.25. And when you go into the consolidated company is basically showing very good result, but this because in this last year is showing negative. Okay, some of the positive, some of the negative. Let's see more ratios about the company. Now return on equity is showing 1.36 and minus 0. The return on capital employed. Earlier that it was showing 13, 17 and 16 return on capital employed. Okay, now check here the efficiency ratio. Here price to book value company right now maintaining the consistent price to book value of 71 rupees. Okay, there is no downfall and no upside of the particular price to book value. Working capital also basically reducing for the company, and you can check the growth ratios. All these are negative right now. Solvency ratios, debt to equity very zero, very good sign. Debt to equity company is not having any debt to equity. Let's check the more financial here. Check the chart of the company and balance sheet. You can see number one thing is one of the negative thing for the company is that company is increasing their equity capital is not a good sign for the company. Okay, number one thing. Number two thing, company reserve is growing, that is plus sign. Even after current non-current liability is very good, 27 crore only, and current liability is 173 crore, but non-current asset is 1351 crore, very good sign. Company's non-current asset is showing 1248 crore, fixed asset is long-term 50, and loan is basically very good. If you check the current asset of the company, short-term investment company increased their short-term investment to 509 crore. Inventory also a company increased their inventory. Sundry debtors with no cash, only 63 crore cash with the company, very good sign. Company is maintaining good cash in the hand. Okay, so maybe you can say this kind of company is falling under the average category. When you go into the profit and loss, company net sales basically growing, along with that particular company is also showing negative in the consolidated basis year on year. When you check here the standalone company is showing some positive return here, and this because of exceptional item in this particular March 2021, that's why it is showing 86 crore right now. Positive cash flow from the company maintaining well cash here. I think, yeah, cash is having with the company. One of the negative sign with the first negative sign with for the company is that promoter is holding very low. Promoter holding is very low here, 33 crore, earlier 32, and then just increase something in the few year, but no problem. Company's promoter holding is very less. Number two, FII reduced their particular position in this company. Number three, DII increase, also reducing their particular asset. Non-institution improve, basically increase in their particular position in this company. One of the negative thing with the company is that company is having pledge here. Okay, whenever company is having pledge, it means that there is some risk of issue with the company's management, and thinking about the management is not, maybe might be some risk. Okay, you can see the promoter group here. Public holding, you can say HDFC, small cap company, either Goldman Sachs also holding this particular stake. Well, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, one of the famous investor, also holding this the stock. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala 4.3 and 3 point, total 7 point. And Mukesh Mahavir Agarwal also holding it. EPF some holding. Okay, so these are the key member holding the stock in this company. You can see a lot of mutual fund is also holding this company. And HGBot, scan, and you can say particular scan, you can go into fundamentally increase a quarterly result, no leverage, consistent dividend paying. Okay, and very good. So this is the actual overall fundamental of the company. Always check with your advisor before buying any stocks. Hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of the company.